Hello my friends, welcome back to my video. In today's video, I want to show you how to claim your referral commission. For those of you that are referring people in this new Bitcoin platform, you will be able to claim your referral commission or referral bonuses that is paid instantly into your referral dashboard, and you are able to claim that. Remember what we are doing in this platform. We are mining FNBTC and the new Bitcoin. Okay, you will earn in two ways. You will earn from new Bitcoin, which is NEWBTC, and you will also earn from FNBTC. Earning in those two tokens is up to 2% on a daily basis. But if you decide to refer people, you will earn one of 0.24% from any amount of money your referral is going to deposit to start staking and mining. Okay, and after that you will earn a subsequent of 0.1%, and the level of earning, the level of referral payment is 5 level deep. Okay, so I want to show you how to claim your referral bonus. So if you click on referral, logging into your account, of course, click on referral. As I said, I have only 2 people just now. Those 2 people, they are eager to join. As at when I'm recording this video, I've not introduced this platform to my team members, just so you know. Okay, so if you want to claim your rewards for referral, you come up here and hit this button. You will see the referral bonuses here. I don't like to do this every 4 hours. Rather, I like to do it once a day. But I just want to record this video to show you how to claim your referral bonus in case you are referring people. So click on claim rewards and then confirm from your password by entering your password of your Trust wallet or of your token pocket, any of the decentralized wallet you are using. It will ask you to enter your password and click confirm, and then boom, that is it, gone. Right, so now I am using token pocket for this account. So if I click into my token pocket, okay, and then go to my FNBTC, okay, you will see that that just increased. You will notice that I received 0.036. okay, so that is the one I just received just now that I just claimed. So guys, this is how to claim your referral commission in new Bitcoin mining platform. I hope this video helps you to learn how to do this, and I look forward to seeing you in my team. If you would like to join my team to continue to mine the new Bitcoin and continue to receive profits and rewards from mining FNBTC and mining NEWBTC, then the link to do so is below this video description. Don't forget to follow the steps, guys. There is a reason why steps and processes are written. Okay, and if you follow all the steps, I don't think you are going to go wrong. So please make sure you follow all the steps and then be able to register successfully. I have done a video showing you how to register. Okay, so watch the video, learn how to register. When you learn how to register, you will also use that video to learn how to teach your referrals how to register, and then you will be able to earn and claim your referral commissions. That's how it works. Okay, however, if you are struggling, please contact me on my WhatsApp, Telegram, or my Facebook Messenger. I will be able to help you to get you started. The minimum to start is 1 FNBTC. That is what I recommend for people. However, you can start with 0.5 FNBTC, but just remember that you will need $100 and $10 worth of BNB for gas or transaction fees to get started. So altogether, you should be needing about $110. As at when I'm recording this video, this is what you are supposed to use to start. That may change during when you are registering, because the value of FNBTC fluctuating every day, just like the way the value of Bitcoin and any other cryptocurrencies fluctuates in the crypto world. So check with your upline to make sure that you have the minimum to get started, but be rest assured that you will gain more than you are going to lose in this platform if you start early. Thank you. The link to join is below this video description. I will see you in my next video.